You are welcome to Learn Dagbani. Today's topic is on telling time in Dagbani. That is, Dagbani le Saha Wuhibu. In this lesson, we shall be discussing how to tell time in Dagbani using natural occurrences like the sun, the moon, among others. By the end of this lesson, learners will be able to demonstrate knowledge and understanding of the names and sequences of times of the day, days of the week, and months of the year. Let's look at the times of the day in Dagbani. We have Asba, that is morning. Agba, that is midday. Wuntangni, that is afternoon. Zawuni, that is evening. Yung, that is night. Yung Tiso, that is midnight. Days of the week in Dagbani. We have Atani, that is Monday. Atalata, Tuesday. Alaba, Wednesday. Alamishi, Thursday. Alezumba, Friday. Asibri, Saturday. And Alahari, that is Sunday. Now let's look at the months of the year in Dagbani. Boam, Dambabala, Damba, Gambanda, Banda China, Kinibala, Kini, Nolorbala, Nolore, Konyurucho, Chimsibala, Chimsi. Thank you for joining us in this lesson. Tipaya Pam. Visit us on our social media handles below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn Dagbani, and hit the bell button to watch new videos. See you in another lesson. Bye-bye.